Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2019. It's the 37th match in round 2. The scores are Jago High on 25, Meadowbrook High now on 15. You may have noticed a change in the scores. Meadowbrook got a replacement mathematics question off air, which they got correct. And we will also accept Billy Rubin as the answer for the question, the yellow color of a urine is due to presence of what chemical? And Jago also got an additional 2 points for the question in the Bible, what is the name of the river that Ezekiel was at with the exiles when he received a vision from God? Chebar is correct, and also the name of the Chilean ambassador to Jamaica, Francisco Bernales, is also correct. And so we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time for you to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please, as the first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which New Testament deacon, just before he died, said, Lord, Jago?
Stephen!
Yes, Lord Jesus, receive my spirit. Biology. What is a diploid cell resulting from the fusion of two gametes? Meadowbrook High?
Zygote!
Correct, during fertilization called. English language. The word cretin is a pejorative term for what kind of person? Jago?
A young person.
A young person.
No, a stupid or foolish person. International affairs, a visual one. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Jago?
Bashar al-Assad.
Correct. Chemistry. In electrolysis, what process always occurs at the anode? Meadowbrook.
Oxidation. Oxidation!
Correct. Music. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of the song. Jago.
We lift our hands in the sanctuary.
Correct. General knowledge. Budapest is a... Meadowbrook.
Hungry. Hungry!
Correct. Capital city of which European country? Spanish. What is the English word for la enfermedad? Jago?
The sickness. The sickness.
Correct. And geography. The Po River is the longest in which European country? Meadowbrook.
France. France!
Incorrect. Italy. Theatre and cinema. Look at the clip. Identify this person. Meadowbrook.
Ben Affleck. Ben Affleck!
Correct. Information technology. What section of the CPU selects, interprets, and sees to the execution of program instructions? Jago.
Control unit.
Correct. History. Who was named the Great Liberator for his... Meadowbrook High?
Simon Bolivar. Simon Bolivar!
Yes, to bring independence to countries in South America. Mathematics. What is the value of 243 raised to the power of 2 over Jago?
Come.
9.
Yes, 2 over 5. Physics. What property of a sound wave is most commonly associated with loudness? Jago.
The sound wave, the amplitude. Amplitude.
Correct. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Meadowbrook High?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar!
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What community in Lucy, Hanover, received its name in the 1900s from the families who had surnames like Hog, Steer, Lions, and Fox?
Next.
Animal Hill. French. Translate to the following sentence to English. Je l'ai revu hier. Je l'ai revu hier. I saw her again yesterday. Literature. Who wrote the 1908 novel Anne of Green Gables? Meadowbrook.
Barbara Kingsley.
No, Lucy Maud Montgomery. Art. What is the main subject in Renoir's painting Les Parapluies? Umbrellas. Bible knowledge. How many wives did Isaac? Meadowbrook.
2.
Incorrect. 1. Biology. What is the most basic form of carbohydrates that contains Jago?
Simple sugar. Simple sugar.
No. Can we accept? Monosaccharides. English language. Spell impetus.
Impetus.
Jago.
Impetus. IMPETOUS.
No, TUOUS.
Next one.
Or rather, international affairs. Which country is the biggest exporter of natural gas in the world? And that's the bell. Answer is Russia. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Jago High on 33 and Meadowbrook High on 21. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewers' question. And the answer is Copenhagen. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.